Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting posture and controls. Do this now. Open controls and enable every joint so you can command fingers to toes. It matters. Choose a stable starting pose, like crouch or T-pose, and lock the spine to keep balance while you learn. Assign hotkeys for phase, change, and reset, because once you start chaining movements, you'll need speedy inputs. Practice one small motion. Raise a thigh, then a knee, feel the weight shift. This setup prevents early failures and saves time. Once done with controls, you move on to chaining leg motions. You'll execute a step by activating hip, then knee, then ankle in that order. This creates a coherent forward swing. Make sure to phase inputs precisely. Small timing errors create stumbles. Use lower muscle percent for support limbs, higher percent for the swinging leg, and watch the center of mass move forward. Repeat single steps until consistent, then link 2 to 3 steps. This teaches rhythm and why Toribash is about sequencing. To finish, stabilize each step by planting the foot and adjusting the torso so your center of mass stays over support. You want a brief hold before initiating the next swing. That lock prevents cumulative drift. If you keep falling, reduce swing power by about 10 to 20% and lengthen the phase timing. This often fixes over-rotation. Make sure to record and review replays so you can spot which joint fired too early. Use that feedback and iterate until walking feels reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.